What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research, man. Hit the like and subscribe button for us so we can keep this content pumping, man. And appreciate you, the community, man, the trading community, man. Get on board with us. So the market is up 5.5% on the day, man. That is insane. So as you can see on the bigger time frame, this market gapped up over 130 points. So as you know, gaps get filled. So they look like they're setting right up, man, for us to come up to this trend line, man, around 4100 area. So moving average up there. Then we got the trend line up there, and we got a gap fill up there all around the same area. So it's going to be kind of setting up, man, for the next leg down. That's what it seems to be. The CPI numbers, as you know, came out 7.7%. They were trying to predict 7.9%, and we came in lower than that. We even came in lower than the previous number from before. I think it was like 8.1 or something like that. So they beat all expectations by 0.2 percent, and they rallied off of that. So as you know, this is a bear market rally. Obviously, they're setting up for the trap, and FOMO is real, man. So when you see the market doing this, everybody's gonna be buying tomorrow. So don't get caught on the wrong side of the market. I did catch some beautiful trades today, and I'm going to get right into that. The CPI is still high. It's almost at 8% still. So the the shorting is not done yet. They're chasing these stops. They're coming up to take that money because so many people are short right now. You got to come back up, chase the stops, shake people out. Options expiration, all that good stuff, so they can make as much money as they can off this market, man. So be careful. Inflation is still high. So I'm straight over to the dollar. As you know, it's one of my best indicators. They finally broke this trend line. So as you see, people are buying. So money is coming out of this market, and people are buying, whether they're buying bonds, stocks, whatever it may be. Money is coming out of the market. So out of the dollar, should I say. So this is one of the key indicators. The VIX had also took a dive for the worse. They showed their first line of life, and then they dropped. So we're going to get into the price action. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I saw today, and the only thing you needed to see today. Simple price action movement. This is all you need. This is the only trend line you needed today. You could have traded off the 1 minute time frame or the 5 minute. I used both today. I just scalped and I left them runner on for most of the day. So the initial spike up, as you know, is bullish. So you're expecting some type of consolidation, and they did not give you that consolidation. So they had two legs up and then another leg up, and then we seen a series of higher lows until they validated they tried to validate this trend line. So by confirmation, by bouncing off of it, as you can see, got a series of higher lows, and this was the only thing you needed to see. Once they came back down to test this trend line, I already had this trend line confirmed. My first trade of the day was obviously the pullback. So once they made a higher high, and then they came back with another pullback, that was my first entry. It was a second entry long bear trap. See that big rejection bar? Everybody going short, and this major spike up got trapped out. That was my trade. Caught about 10 points on the trade. and I left my runner. Then they came back. So we got a two-legged move here around. This was around, what time was that? So market open. So we got the market opening at 9:30. They immediately spiked down. We got two legs down, right? Then we got another break and an extra leg down, which validated this trend line. So that was a potential trade. I did wait until I seen exactly what they were gonna do around 9:40ish, 9:45. They had a big old rejection bar that was around close to 10 o'clock. Like they were gonna reverse, and you could have bought into that bar for a scalp. Then once they came back again, this was the trade of the day. We got a first entry long, second entry long failure. And then they came with a engulfing bar, or a bullish engulfing bar. That was around 10:44, 10:45. I caught that trade up, got another scalp, about 7-8 points, and I left my runner on until the target. My target was around 3,900. They got there so fast, and they stalled. So I seen them stalling, I just took profits, and then I came back around 2-3 o'clock, and then I took one or two more trades. I took about three trades today, 3 to 4 trades. Pretty good day, man. Pretty green day. This is the only trend line that I used until later on in the day. They did consolidate and they broke back below 3,900 level, and then they retested it again. So if you kind of zoom in, you can see where the basing began. So we got a series of higher lows. So this was the bottom. So this was at 1 o'clock. Series of higher lows. You could have easily caught the move around 130 to 145. Either one of those areas off of this moving average. A series of higher lows. You could have bought into that for an easy run up. So on days like this, the market is so strong. You do not sell anything. You don't care what they're doing on the sell side. All you're looking for is a fake to the downside, and you're buying into weakness. So this was pretty much the easiest day you could have. I don't know why anybody would be shorting today. Once you've seen they gapped up 130 something points in the morning, you only looking for longs. So pretty good day today, man. Simple price action, easy trades, man. Hope you guys are green, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.